we've just fitted this lantern in this annex property in Stafford. It's quite a small lantern, and I think on videos we've shown you previously, the lanterns are quite big, but small lanterns create as much of a problem as big lanterns because the sunshine blasts through, and if you've got a table below it or any furniture below it, then it will cook. So it's great to be able to cover it up. So we've put the lantern in place. You've got the frame that goes all the way around. The battery that drives the lantern is just over here, the white 𝐸 battery, and that's charged by the sun on the sun panel on the glass above the cover. And then the actual cover as it comes over is a honeycomb pleated fabric. It's got a pocket of air that stops the heat from going out, and more importantly stops the heat from coming in the summer. So from a thermal perspective, it keeps the temperature more balanced in the room, so that stops the heat getting out. So in the winter, when the heating's on, there's less likelihood of the lantern acting like a chimney and the heat going straight through it, because this fabric will stop that from happening. There we go.